Hi, I'm Jennifer and welcome to Stitch Tutorials with Celtic Knot Crochet. Today I'm going to show you how to do an extended double crochet, and if you watch till the end I'll show you how you can turn any stitch into an extended stitch. So if you look here, we have a row of some double crochet. So let me review how you would do a double crochet. You yarn over, then you insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. The double crochet stitch is a wonderful crochet stitch that can be used in so many different ways. But sometimes you need something that's a little bit taller, so that's when you would use an extended double crochet, and this is how you do it. You yarn over as in a normal double crochet, put your hook in, yarn over, pull up a loop. So far it's just like a regular double crochet. Here is where you have the difference. You're going to yarn over and pull through only 1 loop on your hook. And that's like creating a little chain right here that stands up, and that gives you just a little bit more height. Then you finish your double crochet as normal. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And you could see here, see how this stitch is now a little bit taller than these regular double crochets. So I'll do that one more time for you. Yarn over, hook in, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through just 1, then finish as normal. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And now I have 2 double crochets that are just a tiny bit taller than these. So you can do this with any stitch. So if we were to do it with a treble crochet, remember, yarn over twice, hook in, yarn over, pull up a loop, then yarn over, pull through 2, through 2, through 2. Treble crochet is nice and tall, but if I want to make something even taller, yarn over twice, put my hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. So far, just like a regular treble crochet. Yarn over, pull through just 1 loop, and then complete the treble crochet as normal. So that's the key to making an extended stitch. All you do is before you've completed your stitch, you're going to do that yarn over and pull through just 1 loop on your hook. So extended double. I'm getting ready to do a normal double. Yarn over, just pull through the first loop on my hook, and then complete as normal. This stitch is great for when you want to make a nice gradual line of crochet stitches and you need something in between treble and double. If you like this video, please make sure to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to click to subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy crocheting!